bluebirds singing in a minor key. Times as bad as they can be. Bluebirds singing in a minor key. Birds ain't supposed to sing like that. Makes me want to grab my hat and leave those troubles at the door. 'Cause I just can't take much more. Trouble falling all over me. Bluebirds singing in a minor key. Mockingbirds singing in a minor key. Times as bad as they can be. Mockingbirds singing in a minor key. When they sing that minor third, they're just repeating what they've heard. Ain't that just like mockingbirds? They just keep on singing that minor swing as they take to wing with a song. And I want to sing along. Oh, me and all the birds agree. Mockingbirds singing in a minor key. Becoming clear to me. Hummingbirds humming in a minor key. Birds are calling out to me. Hummingbirds humming in a minor key. Hummingbirds I've always heard hum 'cause they don't know the words, but they just hum out what they feel. And I've got a feeling that what they're feeling is what I'm feeling as well. We've all got the same story to tell. Oh, it's becoming clear to me. Hummingbirds humming in a minor key. Trouble falling all over me. Bluebirds singing in a minor key. Me and all the birds agree. Mockingbirds singing in a minor key. It's becoming clear to me. Hummingbirds humming in a minor key. Times as bad as they can be. Bluebirds singing in a minor key.